Hey guys, welcome back to the Lily Show with Lily and
Charlotte.
And today we're going to be doing a pumpkin fall craft using toilet paper, fabric, sticks, and ribbon. So, let's get started. Let's go!
Oh, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and comment down below and hit the bell button too. Let's get on to the video.
So first we have to make the base for our pumpkin. And so we're going to need a roll of toilet paper for that. And we're going to make a little dent about 1/3 of the way in to show how much toilet paper we're going to use. And Charlotte is doing that right now. Right there. And then we want to unroll the toilet paper. And you're going to use about 1/3 of the roll.
Yep. Yap-a-doodles.
So you want to just unroll it.
Until you get to your mark.
Until you get to your mark that you made.
Okay, I forgot what my mark was. It's right here.
Yep.
Little dent. Little teeny winky dent. Dent. A little tiny dent. Okay, you'll need about this much to unroll. So start scrunching it up and keep rolling it up until you go.
So now that we unrolled about 1/3 of the roll of the toilet paper, we want to wrap it back up, but we don't want to do it so tightly. We want to do it kind of loose so it looks more rustic and more like a pumpkin. So it goes like round and it rounds out and make a pumpkin shape. Once you get to the end of the toilet paper, you may want to tuck it into another piece just so it doesn't come undone. And you have the base for your pumpkin.
Right here.
Yep.
So move this to the side.
Well, now what you want to do is pick a piece of fabric. I'm picking this leaf one, and Charlotte's picking that one.
Put this to the side.
And
now
we want to lay out the piece of fabric that we chose.
Make sure it's not this side, or else you'll just have a pumpkin that doesn't, I don't know.
Then you want to put the pumpkin in the middle of the fabric and start tucking it into the center of the toilet paper, like so. And you may want to use a wooden dowel or something to help you get into the center of the pumpkin so that it stays secure.
Well, we do that at the end though.
You can make sure it's secure. Like that. You can always go back and kind of fix it so that it looks how you want it to. Now that we have the fabric covering the toilet paper, we want to grab a couple sticks, about 3, and then break them in half so that we can make the stem for our pumpkin. We want to do this to all 3 sticks. And then stick them into the center of the pumpkin, like this.
Just like this. Now stick them in the middle. Now grab a piece of ribbon.
Now we want to grab a piece of ribbon so that we can hold the sticks in place and add a little bit more decoration to our pumpkin. So we want to wrap it around the sticks.
If you do not want the decoration, you can just cut the ends off.
Yep. And then we want to just tie a knot in the front here. And
make sure it's double knotted, or else your pumpkin will come.
Yep, and make sure it's tight.
Make sure it's really super tight. If you do not want it to come out, you can do triple knot, but I'm doing double knot because that's easier.
Yep.
If you do not want it to show, just hide the ribbon in the pumpkin.
And then you have your finished pumpkin.
Here it is.
you can use all kinds of different fabrics for these pumpkins, and as you can see, we've used a whole bunch of different varieties of fabrics. So I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and I hope you guys can want to do this craft. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!